Okay, students, I hope that you are doing great. So for our lesson of today, we are going to look at solving simultaneous linear equations. Solving simultaneous linear equations. Okay, now we are going to be using different methods, and the first one will be using graphical method. Graphical method. Here we are going to be using the graph. Okay. And now we are going to look at also how to use elimination method. Elimination method. Then we will see how to use substitution method. Okay. Now, let us begin with graphical method. Okay. Example 1. Use the graphical method to solve the simultaneous equations. Okay. All right, so we are having 2x minus 5y is equal to 32, and 2x plus 3y is equal to 0. Here, let's have 2x minus 5y is equal to 32. And here, let us have 2x plus 3y is equal to 0. Okay. Now, we are going to get x and y values for each equation. Actually, we just only need 2 points to know this line, but we use the third point for accuracy to make sure that everything is accurate. Now, let's have, let's say, -4. Let's have, let's say, 1. Let's have, let's say, 6. Here, you get any values of x, any number, it's up to you. Then you use it to get the corresponding value of y. Now, remember that we have to use this equation. So the equation is 2x minus 5y is equal to 32. This time x is minus 4. So we say 2 times minus 4 minus 5y is equal to 32. So 2 times minus 4, that is minus 8. Then minus 5y is equal to 32. Then minus 5y is equal to 32 plus 8. So remember that this 8 has to be taken this side. So it is minus. That's why here we have it as plus. Okay. So we have minus 5y, it is equal to 40. So y is 40 divided by minus 5, and y is minus 8. Okay, so when x is minus 4, y will be minus 8. So let us write minus 8 here. Okay, next. Still we have the equation as 2x minus 5y is equal to 32. This time x is 1. So we have 2 times 1 minus 5y is equal to 32. So 2 times 1, it is 2. So minus 5y, it is 32. So we have minus 5y is equal to 32 minus 2, this 2, okay? So minus 5y is equal to 30. So y is 30 divided by minus 5, and y will be minus 6. So when y is 1, sorry, when x is 1, y will be minus 6. Okay? Now, let's go ahead and get the last value. Let's say we are having 2x minus 5y is equal to 32. So we say that we have got x and 6, so that is 2 into 6 minus 5y is equal to 32. So 2 times 6, that is 12, minus 5y, that is equal to 32. So minus 5y is equal to 32 minus 12. Okay, so minus 5y is equal to 20. So y is equal to 20 divided by minus 5. And then y is minus 4. So when x is 6, y is minus 4. Okay, I believe now you understand that. So the coordinates of x and y for this will be minus 4, 8, 1, minus 6, then 6, minus 4. I hope that is okay. Now, let's talk about equation number 2. Let me erase this to get enough space. Okay, now we have got the equation as 2x plus 3y is equal to 0. Okay, now let's get some values of x. Let's say we have minus 3, 0, and 3. Okay, so x is minus 3, so we get 2 into minus 3 plus 3y is equal to 0. So 2 times minus 3, that will be minus 6, plus 3y is equal to 0. Now this minus 6 will go this side, so that we have 3y is equal to 0 plus 6. So 0 plus 6 is the same as 6. So y is 6 divided by 3, and that is 2. So this means that when x is minus 3, y is 2. So let's write 2 here. Okay. Let's get another one. So our equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to 0. Now this time x is 0. So we will have 2 times 0 plus 3y is equal to 0. So we are going to have 2 times 0, that is 0. So 3y is equal to 0, so which means that y is 0. Okay, so when x is 0, y is 0. Let's write here 0. And let's get the last point. Let's have our equation as 2x plus 3y is equal to 0. Now, x is 3. So we have 2 times 3 plus 3y is equal to 0. Now, 2 times 3, that is 6, plus 3y is equal to 0. Now, we are going to have 3y is equal to minus 6. We take this 6 to go this side. So that's why we have it as minus 6. So y is equal to minus 6 divided by 3. And y is minus 2. So when x is 3, y is minus 2. Okay? Now, the points here for this equation, we shall have minus 3, 2, 0, 0, and 3 minus 2. Now, let's go ahead and plot these lines on the graph. Okay, so let's see how to plot this. So our first equation is 2x minus 5y is equal to 32. And the points we have got minus 4, minus 8. Then we have got 1, minus 6. And then we have got 6, minus 4. Okay. Then another equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to 0. So we will have our points as minus 3, 2, 0, 0, and 3, minus 2. So let's show these ones. So we begin with this one, minus 4, minus 8. This is minus 4 and minus 8 here. Next is 1, minus 6. 1, minus 6. This is 1, and this is minus 6. Then next is 6, minus 4. 6, minus 4. 6, minus 4. Okay. Minus 4, minus 8. 1, minus 6. 6, minus 4. Now let's draw this line. Okay. Now we indicate that this one is for 2x minus 5y is equal to 32. Now we go for another line. We have got this one. So minus 3, 2, minus 3, 2, minus 3, minus 3, 2. This one. Next is 0, 0, which is this one. Next is 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2. This one. Okay. Minus 3, 2, 0, 0, and 3 minus 2. Let's go ahead and draw this line. Okay. Now this one is for 2x plus 3y is equal to 0. Now, what will be the solution to these two equations? The solution will be the point where these two lines meet, the intersection point, which is this one, where both lines meet. So this point gives us the solution to the simultaneous linear equations. So this will be the value of x, this one, and this will be the value of y, this one. So it means that x is equal to 6 and y is equal to minus 4. So 6 and minus 4, they are the solutions to these two simultaneous linear equations. In other words, these two, this value of x and this value of y, will make both of these equations true. Yes, we can try that to see what we are talking about. You see, if we have 2x minus 5y is equal to 32. If x is 6, so it will be 2 times 6 minus y, it is minus 4. Let us see if it will give us 32. 2 times 6, it will be 12. Minus 5 times minus 4, well, that will be plus 20. Now you see 12 plus 20 will give us 32. You see, they make both equations true. Try this. If you have 2x plus 3y is equal to 0. 2 times x, which is 6, plus y, which is minus 4. Let's see if it will give us 0. 2 times 6 is 12, plus 3 times minus 4, it is minus 12. And we know that 12 plus minus 12 will give us 0, you see? Which means that for sure these are the solutions to these two equations. I hope you understand this very well. Now, in our next lesson, we shall continue to look at more graphs of simultaneous linear equations. So for now, let's stop here and we meet again next time.